Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you work with heavy equipment, you've probably seen your fair share of fault codes pop up on the dash. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most common, yet crucial codes ULL encounter. SPN 3251 FMI 0. This code points directly to a high soot level in your diesel particulate filter, or DPF. Sticking around for the next few minutes could save you thousands in repair bills and prevent a whole lot of downtime. So, what exactly is SPN 3251 FMI 0 telling you? Simply put, your DPF is getting clogged up with soot. The DPF is a critical part of your machine's after-treatment system. Its job is to trap and burn off harmful diesel particulate matter before it gets released into the atmosphere. When the soot load reaches a certain point, the system triggers this code to let you know it's time for a regeneration cycle, or regen. Think of it as a self-cleaning oven for your exhaust. The system raises the exhaust temperature to burn that collected soot into a fine ash. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so the DPF is full. What's the big deal? Well, ignoring this code is a recipe for disaster. Initially, you